Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in this video I'll show you how I do my current skincare routine. So, if you wanna know how I do it, let's get right immediately in this video to show you how I do my current skincare routine. For the first, I start with a micellar water by Diadermin, hydratante micellar water with natural ingredients, and this is it. And I take a puff, take into my puff this, and apply to clean the whole face. It is the first step I do. Everything I do, every product I apply on my skin, on my face, I always apply it and on my neck area and on my chest area. As you see, this is the way I apply all my products. Very nice micellar water. Helps me to clean my face very nice, very well. Then the next step is to take my cleanser. My cleanser is by L'Oréal Paris Revitalift with glycolic acid anti-aging, and this is it. I love L'Oréal Revitalift, all the product. I take a pump of that, not very much, with some water. I wet my fingers, starting to apply it inside my fingers and starting with circular motions to clean the whole face. Look and watch how I apply the product and how I do the motions on my face. I apply it as you see. Very beautiful this, and it cleans my face very, very nicely. L'Oréal is one of my favorite brands. You have understood that I use it in my real life, and I always purchase many, many products. I do with that many much good cleansing onto my face with smooth circular motion but soft. Then I will take off this. I will take a wet, as you see, towel, and I start it to take away the cleanser. I really love this product with glycolic acid. It gives me brightness onto my face. After that, one other step that I'm doing is the scrubbing. The most times in the week, I have to say 2 or 3 times, I do scrubbing onto my face. In this season, I use Biotin Skin Moisture So Smooth with prebiotics, 100% natural honey and apricot kernel for normal to combination skin. And this is it. This is my scrubbing for this time of the season. It is a light scrubbing. I'll show you right away. I'll take some product. This is the product. I'll pump it and I warm the product into my fingers. It is a light product, not very hard for my skin, because my skin is combo too dry. If you are very oily, choose a product with bigger scrubbing onto your face. And I start the scrubbing. We do it on our face, never under the eye and never onto the neck. Only on our face. With circular motions till the jawline. We don't need scrubbing onto the neck because it's very soft. We need scrubbing onto our face to take away the dead cells. I'm one of the persons that I do scrubbing, as I have told you, about 3 times in a week. It helps me to keep my skin very, very clean. Look how I do the scrubbing. I'll take some more. I really love that product by Biotin. all my skincare is with affordable products. I try to do for you a skincare with products that you and are easy to find and affordable on price. I think it is easiest and convenient for the most of the people. Always we do circular motions, but soft, gentle. Don't pull away your skin, your under eyes, your face. Don't pull it, don't do hard motions. Always with motions gentle. And with that motion, as you see, onto the nose. Do you see? Onto the nose. And the forehead, circular motion. And near the eyes. I keep clean my fingers. I have a bottle here with water. And taking the other towel that I have, another also wet towel, because I'm in my office. I'm in my beauty room now, I'm not in the bathroom. So I have wet 2 towels to do my top. And starting to take off the scrubbing. It is a very nice tip for you. If you are doing in your room, in your office, in another place, not in your bathroom, your skincare routine, always wet a towel and take away the product you have to. I feel my face, my skin really fresh after scrubbing and cleansing from all the tired of the day. What else? Moving on to the tonic lotion. Just a few coffee while I work, because I need to have coffee in my work. In this time, in this current routine, I use my new rose sandal face lotion, which contains rose juice, and it has 0% parabens. And this is it. This bottle, I have to say, it is very nice. It is a nice toner. I really find it in the supermarket, and it costs only 3 and something euros. It is very cheap, affordable, but it is really nice. So I take my cotton and I put lotion, tonic water, a lot of that. Don't be sorry of that. And starting to apply from the nose to the outer part, to the jawline, and to the forehead. The tonic lotion I can apply it and on my neck, from the lowest part of the neck till the jawline. A friend asked me to show her how I do my neck massage, and I told her to see my skincare routine. So my friend, this is for you. Watch me and you can see how I do the whole skin routine and the neck massage you wanted. And you ask me. This is the motion. And everything is left. I always clean my chest. As far as important is our face, skin of the face, the same important is the neck, the chest, and the whole body. We have to take care of the whole body. And everything is left, I apply it on the chest, of course. I really love that lotion. I can do massage many hours. After the lotion, we are going to continue to the cream. L'Oreal, always L'Oreal Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle, Anti-Firming Eye Cream. Beautiful white cream, red. This cup, taking with my middle finger some of that. I take a lot of product. I have to say, when I do my skincare, I don't be sorry for the product. I use much of them. And starting to put a dot here and a dot here. Another dot, another dot. I start the massage. Watch me out how I do the massage on my eye. Started with my finger, middle finger, to do circular motions on the crow's feet. Circular, circular, circular motion. Take and pull the product inside the eye and up under the eyebrow and do this circular motion. Always continue with the crow's feet. If you have some fine lines, to insist on the crow's feet. Or do with my finger the number 8, as you see, the number 8. Gentle, soft motion. Don't ever pull your eye. And turn it up into the inner lid, in the inner corner of the eye, and up on the eyebrow, and around the eye, around the eye. As you see, very nice motion, very good motion, and it's easy, very easy. And everything is left, I put it on my lid. Beautiful. I love, as you have understood, I have L'Oreal Revitalift Cleanser, L'Oreal Revitalift Eye Cream. I really love this product. I'm sure of that product. Continue with L'Oreal again. Revitalift Filler, Hyaluronic Acid Serum. My beautiful, 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 good working serum. I have tested that. I have wear it many times. I have used it on my clients. I have wear it before I do my makeup looks that I'm showing you. Put the pump. It takes only the product we need. As you see, it took only till the middle. Put it on the hand and starting to apply first, not on your face, on your hands, to take the warmth of your hands, and then watch me out. Tap, 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 tap the product. Tap the product onto your face. Tap, tap, tap. Always onto your cheeks, on the whole face. Tap, tap, tap the product. Do you see? This is the right motion. And what has left on your neck? My friend, watch me, because you asked me. All the serum on your neck. And everything is left, we told, on the chest. Beautiful hyaluronic acid. Another serum that I use from time to time is collagen. Always use a serum before your cream, day cream, night cream, every cream you wear. In this time, I use a Vitalift. This is, as I have told you. From time to time, I use vitamin C, especially in the summer, and collagen, of course. Anything you want, but hyaluronic acid is the first, then collagen and vitamin C, especially in the summer when we have much sun. And the last step, my friends, is the cream. In this time of the season, I use a cream that it is for day and night, 24 hours in the day. Biotin Hyaluronic Gold, and this with hyaluronic acid. 93% ingredients of natural origin, replumping, anti-wrinkling, day, night, 24 hours in the day cream. Look, this is the cream. Gold cap, white cream. I choose in the winter one cream that it is a little rich. In the summer I use creams that are the most in gel. In the winter, this time, because we're getting dryness, we're going to winter, cold, I choose products with consistency thicker. Taking with my middle finger always, as you see, a good quantity of product, everywhere, and to my neck and to my chest, and starting to massage. Circular motions. I insist on that. Circular motions. When we apply the serum, I have forget. I leave it about 2-3 minutes to absorb the product into the skin and then apply your cream. This is the cream. I have told you that it is for 24 hours a day. So the same skincare routine, the same cream, you can wear it in the night. And don't ever forget to do your skincare twice in a day. The morning when you woke up and in the evening before you are going to the bed. And of course, it depends on your skin. For oily skin and 3 times in the week scrubbing. For combo skin 2 times. For dry skin once in a week or in 10 days scrubbing. And doing masks. Hydrating masks. In the same way that you do the scrubbing. It depends on the type of the skin you have. And my neck. I start from the lowest part, as you see with my fingers, and I pull up all the cream, all the product onto my toe line. Do you see? This is the right motion. Don't ever do that motion. It is wrong. This is the right motion. And on the chest, I apply all the product, and if you have some quantity more, I apply it on the hands and put it on my hands. Well, my friends, this is my current skincare routine for day and night. I think I choose products and always try to choose products that they are for you. I insist and affordable. I have no something with a luxury product. Of course, if you want something more luxury, take it and use it. But I insist on affordable products because the most of the people can buy. And I have and insist on them, on some brands of them, because I have tested and they are very good at L'Oreal. This video is not sponsored. The opinions that I have for L'Oreal, Garnier, Biotin are on my own. So, if you wanna know my opinions, I think this video was helpful for you. So, my friends, this is my skincare routine, and if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!